helpline. Shall I show you the child helpline? Okay. So this is our office area, and then the child helpline has. It starts there with our counselling room, and that's actually why don't we get this helpline. So this is where she looks after everybody and counsels the staff and debriefs the staff, and she can supervise the line from here. And then, do you have a child helpline in Indonesia? Yes. So this one's 24-hour service. So here are our counsellors. This is Amelia, Jesse.
Hello. Hi, Bola.
They've been with us for going on a year and a half now. So that's, they normally have this closed, so it's soundproof.
So that's Dr. Sophia.
Hello, doctor. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Welcome to MSP.
It's very nice place to meet you. Very, when did I see the quality service here is very good. We have about, we have the same system, integrated unit systems all across Indonesia. But you can imagine 250 million people. It's not the same as you here. So you have the quality already. We don't really have the quality yet. But we have some places we have some integrated unit systems for women and children, the same as you here. And we use those places as a model, so other parts of provinces and districts come to learn from there. And we still don't have what is that? We call 1325. We have one, but still long number. So we're still working on that so that we can have a shorter number, so we can see the access by people. You have your system. I think your system is very well developed, well organized, and we also can learn from you. We in Indonesia, besides having your integrated unit sponsored by our minister, we have task force also across Indonesia that can help us. So anything dealing with human and children, they are victims that we coordinate with all the office across Indonesia together with the task force, and we work together to bring the case into the police office, and then police will continue that case to the court. So we still have complicated systems, and I think your system is much easier. But in order to make it easier, that's the problem. We still have problem with the payment as well. Some places we have to pay, and the victims should pay. And like here, the visum of doctor from every division that we use should be paid as well. That's very expensive. And then in that place, in order to collect all the evidence, whether the proof is also another issue for us. But I think we're trying to do our best, step by step, because 87 million children, half of the population is women, and it's a big job sometimes equated facing the cases happening all over Indonesia. So we'll learn something from you, and if you don't mind, you can give us the copy of your presentation, if you don't mind. Thank you very much.